Bitcoin Cash may register a 3.7% decline by June 8, according to digital coin price. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. Right now, Bitcoin Cash is showing a gain of 8.9% and is trading around $223.30. We now take a look at forecast opinions. Tomorrow's estimate from 30 rates is $225, which means a price gain of around 0.8%. Bitcoin Cash is likely to approach $220.13 per coin data flow, showing a decrease of about 1.4%. According to Gov Capital Collector, it could weaken toward $215.77, a downward move of 3.3%. A different forecast from Digital Coin Price notes Bitcoin Cash could head lower to $214.90, about 3.7% below current levels. And lastly, CoinLore puts the target at $208.32 by June 8th, a 6.7% decline. This is the highest profit potential forecast. That's the end of the 5 calls. Let's carry on. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a drop of 6.7% and a gain of 0.8%. As a result, CoinLore is expected to post the highest return with 6.7% growth in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could earn between $8 and $67 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, 30 rates' forecast is the most dependable, with a 95.8% chance of success. From the 5 analysts' forecasts, I've outlined one combined consensus scenario. Consensus insights highlight Bitcoin Cash softening by approximately 2.9%. Let's see exactly what that means. The consensus scenario sets the price 2.9% below where it is now. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 2.9% if the scenario holds. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $29 in potential profit. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 88.8%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. 30 rates indicates that prices could dip further. According to Likewise Coin Data Flow, Bitcoin Cash is set to slip. Likewise Gov Capital Collector points to further downside potential. The outlook from Likewise Digital Coin Price shows the price drifting lower. Meanwhile, CoinLore expects Bitcoin Cash to fall. Consensus analysis highlights Bitcoin Cash on a negative course for the coming 3 days. In conclusion, 100% of analysts are aligned on Bitcoin Cash showing a downward direction. Overall, 100% of forecasts highlight a lower path for Bitcoin Cash. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. Ultimately, yesterday's final number was $217.40. As it turned out, just 2 out of 5 matched the actual trend. Coin Data Flow stood out with the sharpest prediction. Time to organize the results. None of the 5 predictions were inside the span of yesterday's move. As for ROI, several analysts showed gains, with the highest return reaching 9.5%. Here's the daily results overview, a quick visual of all forecast accuracy. Traders Union displayed $22.45 accuracy, 95.3% forecast probability, and 9.5% ROI. Can you spot the forecasts that held up best? Let's shift to the comparison of tomorrow's projected gains calculated from consensus data. At the top of the list is Bitcoin Cash, showing the strongest potential gain of 2.9%. In this section, Bitcoin Cash appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. If Bitcoin Cash is part of your portfolio or just on your radar, a like would mean a lot. Have a good one.